Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna be packing for our long-term trip. Me and my partner Juuso are going to Asia for a few months. We're going to South Korea, Japan and also Southeast Asia. We will only be bringing our carry-ons, so we will be traveling carry-on only or hand luggage only, which means that I have like a personal item, like a backpack that goes under the seat in front of me, and then I also have my 40-liter Osprey Farpoint backpack. So that's all that I'm gonna be bringing with me for our travels. I did do a bit of a life update and Q&A just a couple of weeks ago, so if you want to see that, I will link it somewhere here so you can watch that, where I explain why we are leaving and how long we will be gone and where we are planning on traveling to. But also another point I want to make is that I won't be showing like all the electronic stuff that I will be bringing with me, because I did do a video, my last video was actually all the tech gear and camera gear that I will be bringing with me, and I went in depth like everything that I take with me regarding like electronics, working on the road and camera gear and stuff like that. And that being said, we will be actually working or studying, so I will be working. I'm a freelancer, so I can pretty much work anywhere, and that's what I will continue doing as well when we're traveling, and Juuso will be studying, so we do have like laptops and stuff like that with us as well. But let's have a quick look and then we'll start packing. We're actually leaving tomorrow, but today we're going to my parents' house because we will be renting out our apartment to my brother, so he will be living here when we are gone, which is super practical because we can leave like a lot of our stuff here, but still we have been like cleaning and putting a lot of stuff in the car, so we're like ready to go. So I just need to film this packing video and pack my stuff, and then we will be leaving our apartment for the unforeseeable future. So yeah, very exciting. So as I said, I will be bringing my Osprey Farpoint 40-liter, and this backpack, I have been using this backpack for a few years now. I'm pretty satisfied with it. The quality is really good and it has been holding up super well. Then with the Farpoint 40, I will be also bringing my Osprey Sportlite 25 liters. So this is the Osprey Sportlite 25 liters, and it is a rather new backpack from Osprey, I would say, but yeah, it is 25 liters, and this is where I will be carrying all my like electronics and tech and camera stuff and that kind of stuff. It is super heavy, so I really hope they won't weigh it at the airport, because it is heavy, because I do have all my like laptop, camera gear, my drone and whatnot in there. And as I said, I did do a in-depth video about that, so go check that out after this video. So what I usually do in my packing videos, I show you everything that's like, I have laid out everything, and then I will start packing. I will also show you what clothes I will be bringing and some other small bits and bobs and pieces. So here is my Farpoint 40, here is my 25-liter Osprey Sportlite, and I will also be bringing this Uniqlo like sling bum bag situation. So this is pretty good for just like everyday use, and I will be putting this inside my Osprey Sportlite 25-liter. And then I do have my toiletry bag. So this is the toiletry bag from Travelon. I will just give you like a quick look what's inside. Like I have done like more in-depth video what I usually bring for my toiletries. So if you want to see that, I will put it somewhere here so you can watch that next as well. And by the way, I do have my liquids in here. So here are all my like liquids in this see-through plastic bag. So I have toothpaste, I have facial moisturizer, I have some sunscreen for my face, and also some jojoba oil because I like to use that for my hair, and I have just put it in a smaller container. I do also have some like hand sanitizer and just one nail polish which I will be using. And I also have this thing where I do have some perfume. It's just like a smaller container for your perfume. I'm testing it out, so I will let you know if I like it. You also picked these up from Amazon, so yeah, let's see if those are good, because I have had some issues in the past with these kind of things where you put your perfume, it just leaks like when I'm on the airplane, so I think it has something to do with the pressure, but this is a bit different, so yeah, hopefully that works. And then I do, because my eyesight is terrible, so I do have some stuff for that as well. I have my prescription here for my lenses, for my contact lenses, and then I have like, yeah, I have like 3 months worth of contacts in here. No, that's a lie. I have 6 months worth of contact lenses here. These are like monthlies, so I use them on, I just switch them on a monthly basis, and these are great because you can, I use them like day and night. They have been working really well for me, so that works for me. If you like to use dailies, just bring that, but I like to use these monthly contact lenses, so I have 6 months worth of those like in here, and as you can see, like they take up so little space compared to the dailies, and yeah, they're just easy to use because I just switch them on a monthly basis, like once a month, and that's it. But still, I do have some like contact lens solution, just a small one, and like here is my contact case because I do have my glasses on right now, and then I have some eye drops as well. So those are like in 2 separate bags. I just figured like these are like prescription things, like these are medication pretty much, so I can put those in a separate bag. So in my toiletry bag I have my toothbrush, my floss thingy, I have my shampoo and conditioner bar in here, menstrual cup, some like facial cleanser oil or coconut oil which I use to remove my makeup, and then I have my facial cleanser bar inside this small pouch, and also like a razor, just a small one, just a small amount, like a really small amount of makeup, and some earplugs, and yeah, some other small things. And then I also have my hairbrush, which I bring with me everywhere. Regarding stuff I will be wearing on the plane, I have just a black top, I have a black pair of just leggings, these are from Girlfriend Collective, I really like them, and just a hoodie, so I will be bringing 1 hoodie on this trip. And also my Birkenstocks, but those are not here, but I will be putting those on my feet on the flight with some socks. So that's a style I'm looking forward to. In here, in this small packing cube, and yes, I do really like packing cubes because otherwise my bag would be a mess. So in this packing cube I have underwear and socks. So I have 4 pairs of socks and also like 9 pairs of underwear, so that's all in here. Then I have my Mac in a sack. If it will be raining, is pretty good. It's just a like rain jacket that goes like packs up quite small. And in this packing cube I have 1 like cap or hat. I have 2 pairs of bikinis. I have also some sport clothing, so like workout clothing. So I have 1 pair of like black workout shorts, like a bit more flowy, and then I also have 1 pair of like blue like short biker shorts for workout, like biker short style shorts, and also 1 black top and 1 sports bra, and that's all in here. In here, this is my main packing cube. It is a compression one, it's not compressed right now, but yeah, let's take a look. So I have 1 like this, what is this, like a purple long sleeve, quite thin, like long sleeve bottom up shirt, bottom up shirt. Yeah. I have 1 t-shirt, like this peachy t-shirt. I have 1 black merino wool t-shirt, which is really good. I love this. I have 1 just like top. This used to be white, but it is now like a gray lilac color because I did wash it with some other random colors. So this is what I have. 1 black t-shirt. I will be using this as a pajama as well, and also a pair of shorts, like pajama shorts to go with that. And then I also have just another black top. This is like a black strappy top, like a short crop top. 1 regular black top as well, which is similar to the like light one here. So that is 1, 2, 3, and then 4 tops, 3 t-shirts and 1 bottom up lilac bottom up shirt and 1 hoodie. So that's all my tops. And I also have this dress, this fun dress with fun colors and patterns. So 1 dress, and then I have 3 pairs of just like everyday shorts. So these beige ones, these really like light colored beige shorts, these black flowy shorts, and also these flower patterned flowy shorts. So that's all of my clothes. It is September and we're going to Japan and South Korea just now in September, and then we will be moving on to warmer countries like Vietnam, Thailand, Sri Lanka and those kind of places. So I think I will be just fine with these. I don't think I need any like longer more like warmer layers. And this is just a random pile. Here in this little pouch I have some stuff that I don't need on a like daily basis. So I have some nail polish remover pads which aren't counted as liquid, so that's pretty good. I have some, like it's just a few pieces of jewelry. I have this hair clothing and another hair clothing and some cards with some men on them. And I have like some like pieces for my toothbrush so I can change it because I do have an electric toothbrush, so I have some extra pieces for that. So yeah, just some things I don't need a lot but I still want to bring with me. And then I have this like dry sack, just a very thin one, so if we're going to the beach or if it starts raining I can put stuff in here. I also have this sunscreen stick, so I will be testing this out. It is SPF 30 and from Attitude. I have just this random tote bag, very thin, and also this running belt. And one more thing, I do have another tote bag in here which is also like packable, so here. And tote bags, I just use them a lot on my travels. I use them like to put away laundry or to go grocery shopping or just on like a daily basis really, so it's good to have some of those. I have my glasses case, and here are our me and Yuso's JR passes. We purchased the JR passes for the trains in Japan through Klook, and that worked really well. So we have like the passes here that we need to switch at the train station, so we're in Japan, I'm assuming. I have 1 book that I need to finish reading and also some Sudoku. This is almost like I need to throw this away soon, but I'm just gonna finish this. Then I have 1 eye mask for sleeping, 1 extra just mini grip, like a clear plastic bag just in case. I do have also some masks because COVID is still out there, so better to be safe than sorry. I think we probably won't be using these a lot, but if we need them at some places then we have some, just a few. This is our like first aid / random stuff kit. As you can see I have some tampons in there, but I also have this silicone universal plug for like if I want to do some hand laundry, hand washing. We have some just a random medication in here, some Q-tips and just things like that. So we have some like if we get headache or if we get a sick stomach or if we need some plasters or band-aids or things like that, we have it all in this bag. I have also a small like facial towel, like if I want to use a clean towel for my face when I wash my face, then I have this small thing. And in here I have the Dr. Bronner's bar soap. The Dr. Bronner's bar soap is really good for like laundry, if I need to wash anything, because you can pretty much use this for anything. Like it is like an all-in-one soap, so really good. I did have like a liquid version in the past, but I switched to the bar soap version so I can save space in the liquids bag, so that's pretty good. I just have a few more things I'm gonna show you before I start packing. So 2 pairs of sunglasses, and without any prescription. I have glasses, but I usually use contact lenses, so I don't have prescription on these. And the tote bag that I already showed you, my trusty Super Sparrow water bottle. I have been using this for a few years now. I love it. It is so good because it keeps my water cold and it is also a pretty good size. And yeah, really good water bottle. I have like one scarf, good if it gets cold, or if I want to have it like a picnic, as a picnic blanket or something like that. I've been using this quite a lot on my travels, so it's good to have. And then I also have this hydration bladder for my Osprey Sportlite 25 liter. I think I will be taking this with me, but I will see how it fits in my bag. But it is, you know, it is pretty light, so it can just go in the bottom of my bag. If we go on some longer hikes and stuff, then it's pretty nice to have a hydration bladder. And then I have my hammam towel, or Turkish towel, which I have been using for a long time. And as you know, if you have seen my past packing videos or my past travel stuff recommendation, I don't really enjoy using like a microfiber travel towels, so I just use the hammam towel, like a Turkish hammam towel instead. I already have packed all my electronics in this bag, so what I will be doing now, I will be putting all this stuff in my Farpoint 40, and yeah, let's do it. And by the way, one more thing, or a few more things I do have in my Osprey Sportlite in the smaller backpack is just my pouch where I keep my travel documents and my passport and stuff like that. So this is from Side by Side. It is a pretty good pouch. I can use it for a lot of different purposes, but right now I'm using as my passport holder, and where I have my international driver's license, as well as some, what else, like a vaccination certification thing I also have in here. And then, because I don't want to get hungry, I do have some, like, what are these, protein bars, just if I need a snack and if I'm getting hungry, then I have these. So I will be bringing just a few of these. And also my wallet. I did choose to get one from Tatonka, because this wallet, because I don't usually use cash in Finland, but right now, since we're going to countries where they use still a lot of cash, I have a place where I can put my cash. So yeah, I got a new wallet for my travels. Oh, by the way, in here I have my Zero shoes. So I have a pair of Zero running shoes. So these are barefoot shoes, and I recently got these, like, well, it is a few months ago, but I think these will be great because these I really enjoy using barefoot shoes, and also they take up so little space compared to like regular running shoes. So, and I do want to bring some workout clothing, including running shoes. So yeah, so I will only be bringing 2 pairs of shoes, my Birkenstocks, which are the Arizona EVA, so they are like water proof, and also then my Zero shoes, running shoes. So that's all the shoes. Okay, so now I have packed everything, and one point I want to make is that in this bag I don't have any like electronics or you know, any liquids that need to be taken out in the security line. So I have everything, stuff like that in this bag, which will make it just easier, so I don't need to open this bag at all, like when we're going through security or the airport. So yeah, that's just a small tip for you. But I really hope you enjoyed this packing video, and make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss another video. We will be traveling in Asia and Southeast Asia, in incredible places where I haven't been before, so I'm super excited about that, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video if you did, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye!